Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jan's Kitchen and Review. Today I'm gonna share the chicken with vegetable curry. Let's start the recipe. First I take a pan, I poured butter. I take 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm waiting for melt it. After butter is melted, I poured chicken, which is a marinade with soya sauce, garlic and ginger paste. Add some salt. Then I fry this. I fry it 5 minutes. I cut it big size. Then I add carrot. Then I fry it again and also add broccolis. Roast it very well. Then I add capsicums. I take 2 types of capsicum, yellow, red and green. Then I roast it very well. I roast all the ingredients 5 to 6 minutes. Then I add some vinegar, dark soy sauce, black pepper, tomato sauce, and chili sauce. Then I mix it very well. Then I add some chili flakes. Cook it 2 to 3 minutes and mix it very well with all the ingredients. This is very healthy and delicious. Now I add some salt. Add the salt to taste and mix it very well. Then I add corn flour and add some water. My recipe is done. So if you like my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow my channel. Assalamu alaikum.